I'm Joshua Bardwell, and what you're going to learn today is what's in this box. Yeah, so you may have seen I did an unboxing of the Drone Drop box. That's a monthly subscription box where you pay a certain amount and you get a box in the mail with random sort of stuff worth more than the value of the subscription, but it's kind of a grab bag. So it's you get a surprise, right? It's like getting a present from your aunt every month, and it's quad stuff. Ooh, yummy. Anyway, I did the Drone Drop unboxing, and so Quad Box is the other big subscription box out there for drones, and it's affiliated with Rotor Riot, and I was in Sarasota with the Rotor Riot guys, and they said, hey, you want to unbox our box? Because, you know, and I was like, yeah, sure, I like boxes. So that's what I'm doing here. Cute. And immediately I see the most awesome thing of all. Let me just set this aside and I'll take the stuff out as it goes. Stickers. Now, I'm not normally a huge fan of, I wouldn't normally make a big deal out of stickers, but they made stickers out of my face. That's so cute. These are some pretty original stickers I can see. And I thought for a minute this was 2 sheets, but actually they're just super thick. So we got some interesting graphics here. It'll be these are like really high quality. It'll be interesting to see as the months go on whether the quality stays high. So we got some stickers here, and here are some more stickers. Some Tiny Whoop stickers. Fine. Maybe it's just because I was growing up in the 80s and the 90s and I like this style of graphics. You kids of the aughts may not appreciate this style of graphics quite as much. What's the next thing we got? Well, we got a $10 gift card from GetFPV, one-time use code. I'm going to have to blur that out. No, you know what? I'm not going to blur that out. The first one of you that actually uses this code to get $10 off at GetFPV gets it. I don't know, you know. It's a Luminaire Axie 5.8. Can you see it? Okay, there we go. Luminaire Axie 5.8, 5 gigahertz. So it's an Axie antenna. Okay, it's a good antenna. Oh, 2 of them. Very nice. Oh, 2 of them. Very nice. We've got a caliper here. No, that's cute. That's cute. Oh, it's even got a depth gauge. This thing here, you may not know what that is. That's a depth gauge. So you can put it in something and you can extend this down into like a container and see how deep it is. There you go. All right. Props. These are HQ 5x4.8x3 V1S. I've been loving these props, and I've said this elsewhere. The V1S props from HQ. I stayed away from HQ for a while. But I think the V1S props totally redeemed HQ. And I thought HQ were kind of fragile, but the V1S have totally redeemed them in my mind. I always thought they were great. They were just fragile and kind of expensive. The V1S are super durable, and they're available in pitch from 5x4, 4.3, 4.8, 5.0, and there's I think even a 5.1 now. So you can just pick your pitch to match it to your motor with the same design. Very good prop. Same thing, 2 of those. And what else? Let's see. This is some heat shrink. I guess we can all use heat shrink. Okay. I mean, sure, heat shrink. Why not? Yep, it appears to just be heat shrink, so I guess that's fine. And a shirt. One of the things that Quadbox does is, I think there, if I understand correctly, there's a t-shirt in every box. So if you like t-shirts, oh, look at that, Rotor Riot. If you like t-shirts, you know, there you go. You're going to get one in every box. And that is, no, hang on. One more thing. Oh, these are probably neutral density filters for your GoPro. This is a thing that's been going around. Paul Nurkala made a video about it. Basically, it slows down the shutter speed of the GoPro in bright sunlight. By reducing the amount of light that gets into the camera. And you might think, well, why would you want to reduce the light that gets into the camera? A lot of times we're struggling to get enough light into the camera. But in very, very bright sunshine, the shutter speed of the camera has to run so fast that it causes a really kind of juddery motion. And actually slowing the shutter speed down makes for smoother motion. And this is a thing people have been experimenting with. And these are basically just neutral density filters. They just stick onto the front of the GoPro. somehow. I don't know. They're just basically film cut out. But anyway, there you go. Okay, so there you go. That's what came in the quad box. Now, this was last month's quad box. If you go buy the quad box now, you will not get this stuff. You will get, I mean, that's a surprise, right? I wanted to just show you what next month's quad box has in it. It's a surprise. But that's the kind of thing you can expect, and now you know. And you can go back and watch my review of the drone drop box and see which of these things you like better. There you go. Thanks for watching. Happy flying. I'm Joshua Bardwell, and what you're going to learn today is what's in the box. That joke never gets old for me. David Fincher, 7. It's a good movie. Show it to your kids.